love it when I turn off the bass.
As a victim in their naughty places, but that's about it.
Hey.
Leland. Chasing Leland? Does he know my
wow,
chainsaw's off? No.
He's scared.
We're actually gonna play a game with. Oh, that's hidden. That's hidden Bubba tag, obviously.
Bubba
If they start bullying me, I'll turn it on, but...
I don't think the chances of you getting bullied by them are very particularly high.
That's possible.
I will.
It's kind of like I'm playing victim, but I have a chainsaw.
Are you gonna open the doors for them as well?
I'm just gonna door slam them.
Oh, door slamming damage? Damn, you should have brought Tenderizer, my guy.
Yeah, if I had it, I would have.
Oh, that would have been so troll. That's so funny.
Bubba door damage only? Oh, where's Grandpa? Oh, right here.
Yeah,
wow, I didn't even see him.
Well, these guys
Wow,
are
never.
legitimately hiding.
There, it's all right, Grandpa.
Well, I'll just get Grandpa to 5, I suppose.
Yeah.
Oh, I see one. I gotta turn my chainsaw on to break this. Nope, never mind. I said I'm not, so I'm not.
They're probably so scared and like, wow, I'm looping a level 99 Bubba, guys. Guys.
Look at me, guys.
Who's this?
Alright, I completely trapped the garage.
They didn't even open up a basement door yet.
Oh wow.
I'm literally right next to Connie, and she had no idea. Julie and Connie both in bone room, and Leland.
Oh, good.
All three of them right
Hey,
here.
Striker, go get him.
I just got backstabbed. Wait, one more backstab, and that's it for you fuckers.
I'm on Leland.
Hey,
Oh wow, he
Striker,
barged me.
why did you take my buckets? No,
I wanted to
you
help.
troll.
I wanted to help.
Julie and
kind of.
Hannah are both in bone room.
I'll see if I can slice up that Leland a little.
Hey, Julie, I wanted to come out that door too. Julie's on top of holding pen. She's going side crack.
Right.
Oh wow, this barricade here is really annoying. I'll work on it. I'll work on it. It's not gonna be destroyed this game.
Julie went outside crack. I don't know if
Get
she's
over
not
there.
back in yet.
Wow.
Oh, Hannah's right here. In top of holding pen. Chasing her down the steps.
Yep.
Get over here. Julie's going towards sliding now. Julie was going towards sliding. I'm body
I'm
blocking.
going over there right now.
I'll give her a little kiss.
I'm body blocking her.
Come here.
One to leave.
Yoink, yoink, yoink.
Oh,
Oh, that's
Julie.
5 hits.
Oh, she just opted not to go for the barrier.
Yeah, I think my macro does not work.
Oh.
She's Anna's
just
right here
go-
about to heal up and holding down.
Well, I guess that's the game telling you, you shall not cheat, Rolast. You shan't cheat.
Anna's going towards the ladder. Sissy's behind me.
It's completely trapped off, so is she going to go for that? She's dead.
How did that not hit? Wow. Hello, Anna. 10 savage with Sissy. 10 savage with Sissy.
Yeah, keep on him? Oh, okay.
She's back in holding pen. Connie's
You
here too.
literally
Connie's here too.
Well,
I'll just get Grandpa to 5 real quick and then I'll
where's Connie?
Don't you try shutting this door on us. Hey.
Allow Grandpa level 5. Enjoy, boys.
Nice. Pretty nice, pretty nice. I guess Grandpa took Overcook's job.
There's a barricade this way, so don't come this way.
Right.
Jeez, I gotta run all the way this way just to find Connie. Alright, Anna. Anna, I'm hiding here.
I went in facility to collect poison clouds. And there's only one in there, man. Man.
Aww. Is she still in basement?
No, she's right here, right next to me.
Yeah, she's in basement.
I'm coming.
I might be hiding her. I'm not sure.
Where the fuck don't I
Oh, she just
see
fell
her?
over. She just fell over. She died right here.
Oh, well, okay.
Hitchhiker 4K, Hitchhiker
I guess so.
4K.
No, she's getting hit. She's getting health. Don't let her heal up.
God.
Oh, can I
This
watch
is so
the show?
fucking bad.
I can. Get her.
I'm getting her.
I got
Right.
0 kills and I still got 1,500 points. I didn't even hit
How the
anybody.
fuck? How the fuck? Oh yeah, Grandpa.
That's Grandpa.
Because the Grandpa got, yeah. Well, my first 4K as a hitchhiker.
My first time getting 0 kills is Leatherface.
Winning
It used
it.
to be, no.
I am far, far over 99 already.
It used to be exactly the same in DBD, man. When I was red ranked, or even ranked 1, and I joined the Swift, they're always like, "You're ranked 1? What?" Like, yeah, I mean, it's not really skill based, man. You just have to play enough. Like now with MMO, I guess it's more skill based.
Dead by Daylight is not skill based. It's just how much you play based.
Yeah. Same with this game.
I mean, maybe if you play like Trapper only, then it does take skill to get red rank. But if you play like some OP killer, then that's not take skill whatsoever.
Yeah, or if you only play Survivor, like you get so many points, so much points for just saving people on the game. You don't even need to escape. Like unhooking is where the meat is. Right, you got lucky with a feed for spawn at least.
Is the tank in there?
No, the fuse box. It's that facility. The layer I don't know. The valve I don't know. Right, you also got like a house spawn. But yeah, it's low level, so it don't really matter. Can you destroy the crawl space at garage at some point? Oh, chicken snares.
I'll blow a poison cloud on sliding door, so you don't have to act. So don't have to like.
Yeah, and
look at it as much.
And I was going towards holding pen. Alright, beautiful. Oh.
She's dead.
Destroy his crawl space when you can. AG.
Yep.
At the garage.
Yeah, getting Grandpa level 5 on this map as a blood harvester is really easy.
Yeah, can imagine.
If you... wow, that's really unlucky.
What you mean?
By windmill, there's 3 bucket spawns behind windmill. I only got 1 of the 3.
Oh.
Oh, bad facility spawns as well. Damn.
Check the sliding good.
Yeah, there's a poison cloud on it, but that's probably gone. Like soon.
Oh, trap's still good.
I have enough for Grandpa 5. I'm gonna get him to 5.
Oh, Connie at sliding door. She just around my trap.
Oh, there's also someone in your trap at garage.
Oh.
I just trusted her twice. Julie.
Level 5 Grandpa incoming.
First resetting my trap is fine really quick. Then I go
Oh.
over there.
Julie down
I
the
guess
basement.
it's barely not level 5, eh?
Julie shut the door on herself? That sucks.
Well, happened.
Did we find Connie?
Yeah,
she
was at sliding door, but her points are so low.
Yeah, and yeah, she jumped in the wall. I think cold room wall, that's it.
I'll switch with you at sliding if you want. Did you redo your trap already at ladder?
Yeah, I did. Alright, Grandpa's next one. Where are you? Oh, what the fuck, you got quite far.
She's box.
Yeah, I think right.
I'm assuming they're gonna win.
It's on
sorry.
here. He's welling, fuel source well. Or pump source well, rather.
You're not making
I'm
that
going
trap,
up.
buddy.
I'm making my way over to Connie. Come on, Grampy. Give us a scream.
Oh, she's up. Alright.
She just gave her death up. She said, you know what here, man? Take me.
Yep. Oh. Amazing.
GG's. Sorry it had to happen that way.